Fixing the sash window that keeps on falling down and won't stay up is really simple. Now you need to remove this window here if you're not familiar with how to do that. Remove a window like this, you pull this tab in on the right hand side and the corresponding one on the left hand side, and the window will fold out. This tab in, this tab, and the window will come out, and then you can just lift it out. And you'll see that this piece here is down the bottom and it's not travelling up and down. It looks like it might even be a little bit bent. And this one over the side here, this is actually working, this one is going up and down. So we need to figure out why this piece here is stuck at the bottom. The easiest way I found to fix this is to get my screwdriver and move this, or see if I can move it. And normally they just get stuck down the bottom down here. And if this doesn't work, I will have to replace the spring, but hopefully this can see us through. You want to make sure that those clips are at the similar heights when you install the window back in. It locks back in. And we fixed it. No more fingers getting stuck in here. And yeah, it just looked like it was stuck down the bottom down here. Maybe they hadn't been installed correctly. These are relatively new windows, so maybe they were installed. When the window was put down, it didn't turn and lock the panel in. The reason that these work is when you lift the panel out like this, it allows you to lift it out. But then what makes these windows work is this bit here. When you slot it into the groove and then rotate it 90 degrees, this then locks in place in here, meaning that this will slide up and down with the window as you move it. So my thought is these windows were just reinstalled poorly after someone washed them, or maybe when they were installed for the first time. But now I've got this fixed, so when I put this in and rotate it up, this window is now not going to get anyone's fingers stuck in here, because